It's 5:45 in the morning where I'm at, and I'm finishing a video that I'll get out later today. It's a pretty sciencey video, but don't let that scare you. I think it's a pretty interesting video. I want to go over a few ideas for upcoming videos and see what you think's most interesting. There's a couple that I need to do in order to get some equipment back to its home, and those include finishing a reverse engineering video on the diagnostics protocol for these closed loop stepper motors, so I can get this equipment back to its home. And the other video is on this Anaheim Automation brushless DC motor that I use to run the Precision Matthews 25 milli machine spindle at twice its factory speed. And it worked okay on the high speeds, but the low speeds, speed regulation is not so great, and of course you lose a ton of torque. But it may be an interesting solution for those who don't want to make modifications to the mill and only want to run at high speeds. And then we have a video on the correlation between following air of closed loop stepper motors and Linux CNC. Evolution sent a Rage 2 saw for a evaluation. They've been sending these to other YouTube creators because Evolution is selling this cold cut saw in Home Depot now, and they just are doing this for the advertisement. And then the other video would be on a CNC conversion kit from Billy Dirks of BD Tools for the South Bend lathe. And I made a conversion once before, a video on making 3D printed parts for a conversion for this lathe, but realistically that conversion you'd be lucky to reliably cut wood with. It was a fun conversion to do, but it's not one that you would rely on or cut metal with. So I was thinking about restarting that project, making a new conversion, and I had this idea that I would cast aluminum based on these 3D parts, and I actually bought a foundry furnace to do that. And I started to think, where am I going to find the time? And I said, well, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out as I run into problems. So I started to do some research as I got that project going again, and I found Billy's conversion kit, and it was his last one. It's his personal one, and since this lathe isn't produced anymore, he's just selling his personal copy. And I thought this was the universe telling me that I should go this route instead of making my own kit. You know, we only have so many hours in a day, and it's important to choose projects carefully. So I'll listen to the universe in this case, and I'll listen to you. Let me know what you think would be the most interesting video to do. Oh, one more video I had in mind. I've written a program for helping with binary reverse engineering, malware detection potentially, and I'd just like to describe that, just get it out into the public. It's probably already on my GitHub page, but just make a short video to describe it. So anyhow, I listen to you. I'd like to hear what you think would be a nice video to do. Like I said, I need to do these two in order to get the equipment back to its home, but otherwise, let me know. Alright, take care. I'm gonna get some sleep. Bye.